Alright, so real quick I want to show how to render an image. Right, it'll give it that realistic view. It'll allow you to save your train into an image file. I've got my train opened up, I've got all my colors here. I'm going to go to environments, it says Inventor Studio. And right here it says render image. I'd like everyone to do a rendering from the isometric view, that's this view here. You're more than welcome to go through and change various lighting styles. Then I'm going to click render. And that's where you can see where I've got that cast iron look, I've got that chrome look, everything starts to appear. I'm going to wait for this bar to finish. Alright, so it's done. I'm going to hit save. Save this into your S number and then upload it into the Google Classroom assignment. Alright, everyone's going to do this twice. One from the isometric view, that's this home view right here, and then one from any other view you would like that showcases the design aspects of your train. Alright, it finished, so I'm going to hit the save render. I'm just going to save mine to the desktop for now. But you'll save yours again into your student S number and upload those then to the Google Classroom.